If your dream is to get job in Europe, then you need a right CV format. The Europass CV is widely accepted across European countries, and today I will show you exactly how to create it step by step. So let's get started. So open your Google and type Europass CV. Now open the first website here. After opening this website, scroll down and here you will see the Europass CV option. Click on it. Now wait for a few seconds. Here you will see a 3 option. Here first option means if you already created your profile here, so you can generate CV from this info. And here second option means if you have already created CV from this website, you can upload here and make changes on it. So we want to create a new CV, so we will click on create a new CV. Now here we will enter all of our info. So we want CV in English, so here English language is automatically selected. From here you can select edit format. Now type your first name and last name here. After that here is about me section. Now you can write about me section by yourself or you can take a help from ChatGPT. For example, I will generate it from ChatGPT. So after generating about me or profile, you can copy it and paste it here. Now you can see here more option is available. You can format accordingly. You can bold it, italic it. Other option like alignment and bullet point option all are available, so you can format accordingly. Now after that you can add here your passport, ID, etc. here. After that, if you have a work format, you can add it here, and then date of birth, you can add date of birth here. Select your date of birth, city, nationality, gender, etc. here. So my video speed little bit increase because this is a very simple option. You can select it here. Just enter your detail here. Your contact info and your social media like LinkedIn, you can add LinkedIn here. You can also add your website if you have. After that you can add your address here. If you are working in other countries, so you can add both your home and work address here. So after adding these info, simply click on save here. Now you can check your info will be added like this. Now we will add another section here. So we will click here on create a new section. Now choose your section here. For example, I will choose education and training section. Now you enter your higher education. So first you should mention your latest degree. So mention your high degree first. So these are simple info. Just type your info here. Choose your location, your duration, etc. here. So after that you can click save here. Now on the same way you can add your other education here. So my video speed may be a little bit increased because these are very simple steps. So after adding all of your education, if you want to add more education, simply click here add new. After adding all of your education, click on save here. Now we will add another section here. Now for this, click on add a new section. We will add a section of skills here. So now you can type your skills here. You can manually type here. Also you can select it from these suggested. Suggested and added skill will be separately shown here. So after adding your all of skill, click on save here. After adding skill, we will create a new section of experience. So we will click on add a new section and we will select experience. So mention your latest experience first. Mention your job title, your company name, your location. and duration etc. here. Now must add your job duties and responsibility here, either in a bullet point or in description form. You can also write your duties and responsibilities from ChatGPT. So generate like that from ChatGPT and copy it, paste it here. Now after this you will click on save here. For adding a new experience, simply click on add new, and same way you can add experience here. Now we will add a new section here. Now in languages you can select your mother tongue here. Also if you know other languages you can mention it here. You can also choose your proficiency here, your language proficiency. If you don't want to select, just leave it. After adding your all known languages, click on save here, so your languages will be added here. Now you can see all of the info I have added here. You can also create a manual section of here if there is not given in this list. Now after adding all of our data, I will click on next here. Now you can see that all of our data is merged to a CV format. Now in left side you can see that different CV format is given. If I click on it, our data will be transferred to that CV format accordingly. Here also other option is given like your page color, font size, small, large, etc. You need a Europass logo only on your first page or all of your pages, and page number, etc. So select these and after this click on next. Now simply give a name to your CV format. After that click on download, so your CV format will be downloaded. Now I will open it. Now you can see that our CV is generated according to the template I choose. Now if you want to create a different template, simply click on previous. Here select other template and click on next, give name it and download it. Now you can see that our data is merged to the other format I choose. So in that way you can create a Europass CV. I hope this video will work for you. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, leave in the comment section, I will reply.